Today I take you as my wife. And there are no words to accurately describe how blessed I feel to be in this moment and at this time with you. With all the love in my heart, I can only be overwhelmed with the thankfulness for God's plan for our lives. You've captivated my heart. You abound in joy, kindness, and love. It has been my greatest joy to stand by your side and experience your light through all of that. You are my best friend, and I eagerly await sharing the rest of my life with you.
Zach, you were the one for me when we met. You're still the one today, and you will always be my one. I will dance to that for a lifetime with you and never lose sight of the gift God has blessed me with in being your bride. I love you today and forever. I don't know how to hug you. Are you okay? Thanks.
Kayla is the perfect example of who a true friend is. She is strong in her faith, honest, leads by example, shows up when it's easy and hard. She has the most contagious laugh that can brighten any room she walks in. I always prayed to have friends like you, but I never imagined I'd be blessed with someone who goes above and beyond the average human to bring out the best in people.
You see, Zach and Kayla have been able to do what most haven't. Zach and Kayla have been able to communicate so well with each other, being 15 and a half hours away. They show everyone around them how two best friends can light up a room anywhere they go. Without a doubt, I believe these two show what it's like to be joyful at all times. And I truly believe that God uses Zach and Kayla to display what true love and sacrifice is.
For as much as Zach and Caleb consented together in holy matrimony, I declare by the authority committed unto me that this couple is husband and wife in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. You are now husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Zachary Miller, and Zach, you may kiss your bride.
As I stand here today, I couldn't think of a better couple to be celebrating than Kayla and Zach. They seek God first, love hard, make long distance look so easy, and they truly bring out the best of each other.
You guys make the best of everything. You love to adventure together. I love watching the two of you build your life together, and I'm so thankful to all live in the same city now.
Time to celebrate. Miller time!